All right, we going? Yep. Okay, we're going. Okay. Shit, I'm not ready. Just a minute. So today I'm gonna clean some computer parts and yeah, I know a lot of people use the what do they call them, the canned air, but I never found out that worked very well. So I'm gonna use air compressor. Yeah, if you don't have an air compressor, you can always go to the tire store and get one, or use theirs or whatever. Maybe you got a buddy or a neighbor that does. You can always borrow theirs. You gotta make sure all the water gets out of your air compressor before you do this. But we're gonna see how it goes and see if we can clean up these graphics cards and that motherboard. If you want to get real fancy, you can just take off the heat sinks and then redo the thermal grease. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to spray it out with a regular, or just blow it out with regular air compressor and do the best I can while the heat sinks are still on, because I don't want to put thermal grease and scrape the rest off. So, ooh, did you hear that? That one looks good. This one got 3 fans on it. Cleaning out my graphics cards. That's the cooler. Yeah. No, these are just graphics cards.
Graphic what?
Graphics cards that go on computers.
Oh, well, they do.
They mine cryptocurrency.
Why don't you figure out how to make more per hour than fucking around with this bullshit?
We'll see.
We'll see. I don't know why you didn't want to blow them off in the first place. Oh, here's a card.
Yeah.
There ain't no fucking, ain't that much fucking shit in there.
Oh, that was just piece of tape. Okay, we're good. Alright. Oh shit. Okay, that looks pretty good. Right. Here's that one. Graphics cards here. There. There. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.